In this video, I'll show you how to change the color of the checkout button on the cart page in Shopify Dawn theme. And for this example, I changed the color of the text to yellow and the background color to red. So at first, let's log into Shopify admin account, then select Online Store. Now locate your current theme, in my case is Dawn, and then select Edit Theme. Once the editor loads, at the very top, click on drop-down menu, then select Cart. On the left side of the screen, under Template, click on Subtotal, and then expand the Custom CSS section. We'll be adding the custom CSS rule right in here, but at first let me go back to my website and get the class selected for the checkout button. Let me right-click on it, then select Inspect. Okay, let's take a look. We'll select the element with these two classes. The first one is cart, _checkout dash button. The second one is button class. Now let's take a look at the CSS properties. To change the color of the button text, we'll target the custom CSS property, which is _color-button-text. And to change the color of the bottom background, we'll target the custom property, which is _color-button. Perfect. Let's go back to the editor. Let's add the following rule. Type period, cart, _checkout dash button, period, button. Now open left and right curly braces. Place the cursor in between, then press enter. On the next line, type $color-button-text, then go to Google and type color picker in the search. Let me pick yellow color. Let's pick this one, then copy the RGB values. Go back to the editor and paste them right here. And then add the semicolon in the end. As you can see, the button text was changed to yellow. Now let's change the background color. Once again, place the cursor after the semicolon, then press enter. On the next line, type $color-button, just like before. Let's go to Google and let's pick red color. Let's pick this one, then copy the RGB values. Go back to the editor and paste them right here, and add the semicolon in the end. Once you add this rule, at the top right corner, click on Save. Then go to your website and try refreshing the cart page. And as you can see, the checkout button colors have been successfully applied. So for now, that's all for this video. I hope you found it useful. If more Shopify tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.